Vatican II's fundamental error is the primacy of the conscience over dogma. We see that in the decree on ecumenism and the decree on religious liberty, that conscience is supreme and that dogma must submit to conscience. That is the kernel of Vatican II, and it's all rooted in modernism. That the objective dogma is merely a way of expressing this internal religious experience, and therefore everyone has a right to his own religious experience. Therefore all religions are more or less good, and everyone has a right to practice and express his religion. That's the decree on ecumenism and the decree on religious liberty. And we see this in Mr. Bergoglio, too, that he hates dogma. He's constantly ripping down dogma and people who are rigid and all sorts of evil things, as he says. That's because he's a thoroughgoing modernist and enemy of the Catholic Church.